Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok even if you have reposted a lot of videos, maybe 1 or 2 years worth of videos. So let's get straight into it. Now first open your profile by clicking on the profile button in the bottom right corner and then go to the settings button in the top right corner. So click on it once and then here choose settings and privacy. After that you will find yourself in this page, so just scroll down a bit until you find the support and about section. So here go to report a problem like that, click on it once, and then you will find yourself in the report a problem page. Just scroll down a bit in the topics until you find a topic that is suitable for us, for example videos and sounds. So click on it once and here scroll down a bit again until you see video missing. So go to other and then go to view feedback. Now here you have to click on reply and write whatever is not going on properly for you. So in this case, we will have to write like, please help me. I want to delete all my reposts for a valid reason, uh, whatever may be your reason. Okay, so you just need to have a proper reason to delete all your reposts. Write it in the feedback section. Tell them the details about your demand and then attach some videos or photos if you want to. Then click on submit, and the TikTok support team will reply to you in 48 to 72 hours and will solve your problem. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.